The Weather Service of Amarillo is warning that this year may have a harsher wildfire season. It's something that Chief Meteorologist John Harris has been talking about. We've got to have that moisture. Well, Fox 14's Crystal Martinez has details on how to keep safe during those times and ways you can be prepared.
Red flag warning days are here. Experts say even though we had a good amount of snow in October, that won't be enough to keep the wildfires at bay.
We try to really let people know on the days like today where you could have some explosive fire growth that those are the times that you really need to be watching the weather.
High winds, tall, dry grasses, and the lack of moisture are creating fuels to spark these fires.
We also had a very active late summer, early fall where we did get quite a bit of rain, so that was very tall grass that is now dormant.
A large part of what the National Weather Service does is help to educate the public on safety.
But we try to remind people that it's never a good idea to throw things out your window, lit cigarette or anything like that.
Chief Meteorologist John Harris says, though we are in a neutral year, we can expect to see these conditions continue if rain or snow does not fall.
We're about a quarter of an inch below where we should be for the month of January. Snow, believe it or not, is preferred over rain because it stays on the grasses for a longer period of time.
To ensure your safety, make sure you are following rules when it comes to burn bans and hope for moisture.
If we can keep rain or snow coming in, every so often, then that will definitely help out as far as keeping that wildfire threat low, obviously.
In Amarillo, Crystal Martinez, Fox 14 News.
If you happen to see a wildfire, suspect one is near, get to the point of safety, and if you're able to, try to notify the National Weather Service of where that fire is located. There are currently 11 counties in the Panhandle that are under a burn ban. Some of those counties you see there in yellow, that's on your screen. They include Wheeler, Armstrong, and Castro. Also, by the way, Potter County issuing their burn ban today.